Welcome to Quiz Bubbly. It's time for Alphabet Speed Quiz. Think fast, shout out to your best answers, and see how many you get before the timer ends. Ready? Let's go. Round 1.
Name an object that starts with E.
Eraser, envelope, earphones. Round 2. Name a job that starts with J. Journalist, judge, jeweler. Round 3. Name a country that starts with C. Canada, China, Chile. Round 4. Name a vehicle that starts with T. Train, truck, taxi. Round 5. Please subscribe to Quiz Bubbly for such exciting quizzes. Name an animal that starts with Z. Zebra, zebu, zorilla. Round 6. Name a food that starts with M. Mango, momos, milk. Round 7. Name a famous city that starts with L. London, Lahore, Los Angeles. Round 8. Name a fruit that starts with P. Pineapple, papaya, peach. Round 9. Name a luxury brand that starts with L. Louis Vuitton, Lamborghini, Lexus. Round 10. Name a country that starts with T. Turkey, Thailand, Tunisia. Round 11. Name a food that starts with P. Pizza, pasta, pancake. Write down your answer in the comments. Round 12. Name an animal that starts with H. Horse, hippo, hamster. Round 13. Name a company that starts with E. Epson, Emirates, eBay. Round 14. Name a food that starts with K. Kebab, kiwi, khichdi. Round 15. Name a celebrity that starts with J. Justin Bieber, Johnny Depp, Jennifer Lopez. Round 16. Name a fruit that starts with O. Orange, olive, oats. Round 17. Name a brand that starts with U. Uber, Uniqlo, Ubisoft. Round 18. Name a place that starts with ya. York, Yokohama, Yosote. Round 19. Name a company that starts with G. Google Gucci Delit. Round 20. Name an animal that starts with W. Wolf, whale, walrus. Round 21. Name a food that starts with C. Chicken, chocolate, cheese. Round 22. Name a color that starts with R. Red rose ruby. Round 23. Name a brand that starts with Y. Yamaha, YouTube, Yahoo. Round 24. Name a country that starts with an A. Australia, Austria, Argentina. Write your answer in comments. Round 25. Name a famous city that starts with C. Cairo, Chicago, Cape Town. Round 26. Name a brand that starts with A. Apple, Adidas, Amazon. Round 27. Name a city that starts with M. Miami, Madrid, Milan. Round 28.
Name a company that starts with P.
Pepsi, PayPal, Porsche. Round 29. Name a fruit that starts with L. Lemon, lychee, lime. Round 30. Name a food that starts with N. Noodles, nachos, nuggets.